Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lily's Outdoor Adventures here. We are back in Newport today and we're gonna try to catch some crab. Look it, I got a new Grundon jacket. It matches my bibs. I'm so excited. This is so comfortable. I got a size medium. It's pretty nice. Surprised it fits. Their sizes run a little big for you ladies that are curious. And look it, I got a new crab bag. It's like a little beach bag, but it's the perfect size. I got this at Dollar General, and it's the perfect size for my 3 crab hawks. We're just gonna try to get some herring and crab a little bit today in my spot in Newport. But yeah, isn't that so cute? Alright, I'm gonna get things baited up here and then start fishing for some herring. Oh, I don't want to pick it up with my bare hand. Here, let me grab it with my sweater. These jellyfish are washing up here too. Don't pick them up with your bare hand though, just in case. But look at that thing. It's a crazy looking jellyfish. I don't know if it's still alive. I'm gonna throw it in the water though, just in case. I don't know. I have a sick sense of humor. We got one. Do 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 do. I got it. Right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and get the crab trap in the water. Pull it back a little. Yeah. Number 2. Right. Got my rock. Gotta be careful because there's those blue jellyfish everywhere. There's no one here. It's so quiet. It's awesome. No one's on the dock, no one's at the parking spot. Maybe the herring run is finally over, who knows? Love the diehards that are still out here on a cruddy day though, trying to catch them. I still love my little crab bag. It's so freaking cool. Yep. There's any herring. I hit the bottom and jig for them. Wow, those birds all of a sudden. I hope. Another Dungeness. Another female. Lady, you just crawl right that way. Okay. Howdy, how are you today? Yep. No herring yet. Oh, my eyes watering like crazy.
3 herring earlier.
At least I got a couple.
Everybody was just getting down here, so I figured they were gone, but I haven't been down here since Monday. So.
Right, I figured they were probably gone too, but it was worth a try anyway.
Yep, so I just thought I'd see, but I'm guessing you guys are right, because I don't see hardly anybody over there.
No, we saw a couple little boats floating, but that's about it. So actually, now that you're here, like we know it's fine to go off the dock and crab, but is it okay to crab from right here? It is? Okay. I've never actually 100% knew, but I was like, now that you're here, I might as well ask.
Do you have like weighted line depends on how far you're throwing them out. As long as it's not impeding the boats, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we throw them right there, so.
Yeah, you guys are all good.
Awesome, good to know.
Best of luck. I just
Sweet.
want to see if there's anybody catching here.
Well, thank you so much. Have a good day. Yay, guys. Now I know it's actually okay to crab from here. And I just heard that from a state trooper, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited. It's just good to know. Super nice officer. I don't know, this one feels pretty light. This one was floating when I first threw it out, though. I'm gonna let these sit out here for a while. Perfect. Hey, we got something. Woo! Got a couple reds, I'm keeping them. Hell yeah, on days like that, you keep your reds. Yay. Look at this one. I think it's a male. Is it a male? Yep. It's too small though. There's one. Really? You're gonna pinch my toe? Oh my god. I can't even pick them up. I'm a rookie, it's like I've never crabbed before. I know. You can go in the water now, dude. I ain't gonna touch you. Help you in a minute. Oh, wait, you're also on some fishing line. Here. You go get bigger so we can eat you later. Alright. Pulled that one and that one. Time to put this one. Yay, there's crab in there. What did we get? We got 2 small dungees. 1 female. 1 little male. Got a red here, another one hiding. So you can keep any sex, any size red rocks. You can keep 24 a day in Oregon. Since today we're kind of getting skunked, I'm going to keep whatever reds I find. Because I still want crab for dinner. Oh. Good one. Alright, there's 2. Alright. Little guy. Yeah, I gotta go. There we go. You go in the water. Oh, I almost grabbed that one's claw. It's a red too. That would have hurt. Ooh. You don't get skunked if you keep red rocks. Sorry about my sniffly nose. It's awful. Woo! Yeah, crabbies. More crab in the bucket. Sweet. Get this trap in there. No. I'm literally crying. It's funny. Run. Haha, I can legally crab here. I'm so happy. That's my favorite crab spot, so now that I'm not paranoid to go here, it'll be funner. Yeah! That's crab! Woo! Tell you what, guys, Grundon's rocks. Love my bibs. They keep me so good. These are the Neptune, women's Neptune bibs, the pink one. Yeah. So if you want to match me and be cool. I got the setup now, and I'm warm and I'm dry still. The only thing cold is, wow, it's windy. The only thing cold is my hands, and they're just kind of numb now, so I can't even tell they're cold. I still love my crab bag. Again, guys, I got it at Dollar General. It's perfect size for those round crab hawks, not the ones at Newport though. at Walmart because they're a little bigger than the ones I got from Amazon. But mine fit perfectly in it. It's super cool. My best friend bought it for me. We were leaving. It's not rocking it on my grundins. Gross. Ew. I'm still a lady. Gross. I don't know if you can call me a lady at this point. I'm just wiping snot. I got mascara hanging. I get this weird kind that comes off into tubes. Not that the guys on my channel will want to hear that, but it's fine. The ladies, it's a dupe for Thrive. I get it from Elf brand. It's a turquoise lid. It's like lash extender or some crap. They have some name for it. I'm done herring fishing. Nope. Alright, going back out. Oh no. Oh no. It's where everything goes wrong. Nope. Well, guys, it might be it for today. This is one of those days. I'll throw them out one more time. Pull them back in. Real quick like, but other than that, I think we're about out of here. At least we got some crab to eat when we get home. Gotta pick it up. Nope. Alright. We're about there. Throw it over there a little ways, somewhere different, and see if we catch something. Woo! One more pull in 10 minutes, and we're out of here. Whew. Cause it's nasty out here. My poor nose is done. It's the eyes. They aren't stabbing. Oh, that's a nice carcass. I could have thrown in our pot. Damn it. Nice rockfish carcass. Had meat on it and everything. Wow, I'm falling over. The wind's getting hard. Keeps pulling me over. I'm in like a windbreaker. So cool. Well, how perfect they fit in there. I'm looking for a bag for my crab hawks forever. And I accidentally find one that actually has a crab on it. That's hilarious. Nothing. At that point, it's just time to pack it up. Come back here. Rinse all that chicken off of them, make my car not stink as bad. Car always smells like fish. Babe, are you serious? That just happened. I just got shit on camera. It's everywhere. I felt it in my hair, my back. Oh my god, I have seagull shit all over me. Wow. Oh my god, it's on my coat. I'm feeding you, you assholes. Oh my god. Oh, at least I have a sense of humor. Funny. Good one. Yeah, thanks. I've never been shit on from a bird my whole life. Now people wonder why I don't like birds. Because they fly over your head. Oh my god. I cannot believe that. Yeah, see? Yeah. There's seagull shit. Right there. It's all over me. Alright guys, well on that note, we caught 4 little red rocks. I'm happy. Got some food. Didn't get skunked. Alright guys, till next time, like, follow my channel, And have a great day. This was Lily's Outdoor Adventures. Bye, guys.